Hey everyone, Trina here. Today we're going to work on a landscape. Surprise. I feel like it's been forever since I'd made anything. So we're going to be working with this natural hair brush here today. I'm going to get a little big. We're just going to kind of paint and see what happens. This is the Schmincke green color from the desert set. That's very granulating. It has some really fun colors in there. I kind of just want to be a little loose today. I'm putting in that umber color from the Liquid Earth set in there. Kind of make some different marks. Let's come in with our palette knife. Make some marks through here. I really like that green color. It's kind of fabulous. I just kind of want to see what happens if we use a bigger brush to make our marks. So far, so good. I feel like I've been very stiff in my work lately. And you know what happens when I get that way. I just kind of just want to loosen up. Big brushes do that. So let's come in a little bit with this indigo color. Move that out of the way. Add some of that. Maybe a little bit of the other indigo Payne's gray color. Just sort of through here. This is fun with a big brush. Already feeling much looser than I have for a long time. I'm going to come in with a bit more of that green color. I know it doesn't look green. It looks kind of, it separates so much that it kind of takes away a little bit. Let's come in with a color shaper. Kind of push this around a little bit. Ooh, I like how it's mixing with that umber color. I think I want to put in, I've got a little bit of sepia here. Make some dark marks. Ooh, I love this brush. I wonder how it looks with dry, a little dry brush, maybe. And soften up those lines a little bit. Neat. Okay, hopefully that wasn't making you guys motion sick because I didn't have my focus set. This is a little bit more of the umber color. And a little bit more. I'm just kind of trying a little dry brush through here. Let's get our color shaper out. Make some marks through here. This isn't going to take very long. If I keep painting this fast, it's going to be like a 5-minute video. I think I'm going to let this dry, and then we'll see where we're at. I think I'm going to come in with a little bit more of that Schmincke green. Get a little bit more water on there so we get a little bit more granulation. Sorry, my voice is a little raspy today. Apologies. It's always a little raspy, but it feels extra raspy today for some reason. We've been having wacky weather here today. Well, this has been like cold and then it gets really warm. And then it gets cold again. I'm gonna put some lines through here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to come in with a palette knife and kind of scrape up a little bit of that green color I'll just put some marks through here with the palette knife. I've been really liking using the palette knife with watercolor lately. I think if you saw my video, my short yesterday, I had a good play with it. I kind of wanted to do a little bit more of that today, but then I decided that I'd rather play with the Hake brush. But we can do both, right? We can make both things happen at once. Okay. I think we need some charcoal. So I've really been grooving on this lavender color lately. So let's put some of that in some spots. Let me get out my... I wet this down. And as I've mentioned a million times before, these are the Derwent tinted charcoal pencils. And the 12-piece set is what I have. Okay. I think I'm going to get a little water here on my brush and just kind of make almost a little watercolor out of this. Oh, I need to sharpen the pencil. I'll just add in some of this color through here. Trying to stay loose, trying not to get bogged down in details. And make it, that works really well with that color. With that green color, like, look how pretty that is. Okay, let's put some more of these marks. And these pencils, when they are activated with water, dry permanent. So you don't have to worry about them smudging. But if you just put down a layer, oh, that's nice. You just put down a layer without water, it has the tendency to smudge just like normal charcoal. Oh, I'm really loving this. I love that color. It's like a deep plum almost. And we can put some more lines through here if we want. I think I want to do a little bit of this. This is called Natural. It looks blue to me, but it's not. Okay, let's not do that one. Let's come in with this Mountain Blue. And I just want to add some touch of this up here at the sky area. A little wet. Add some dynamic marks through here. What do you think about that? I kind of like how I might brush it out a little bit. Just as, no, I kind of like it. I kind of like it sketchy like that. Just using the side of the pencil. Kind of make some darker marks through there. I might need, I kind of want that to be really dark. Hold on. So these are the Inktense blocks from Derwent. They come in a set like this. I had this set for a while. You can see I really only use the Payne's Gray. So what I want to do is I'm going to just bring in just a little bit of this color through here. And then we're going to come in with our brush. So we got a little damp brush here. And I'm just going to make this really... Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. I'm liking that a lot. I think that's all it needs. I just wanted something that was... You all know how I love a Payne's Gray. And I love a bold mark. Oh, crap. I just broke another one. I just broke another one. Okay. I gotta be more gentle with my brushes, apparently. I think we need something going on through here. So this is the Peat Charcoal I'm thinking I'm just gonna make like some of these sort of sketchy lines. I might smooth them out. Really trying to concentrate a lot on difference of marks to really make some dynamic difference, if you will. I like that. I like how subtle that is. Do I want to bring, I think I want to bring it down here too. Get that a little more wet. I'm really loving the charcoal with the Schmincke colors. It's just sort of my jam right now. I think they really have a fun, it's a fun combo. And we're gonna add something a little different to this too here in just a second. So stay tuned, don't turn away yet. Let's get a little bit more. This peat is nice. It's a nice color. There's also this other color too. I mean, I like this moss. This dark moss is really nice too. Let's put some of that in. Need a little bit of green probably. Okay, that's way too much water. I'm gonna smooth that out. I wasn't really liking what I was doing there. I just want to make a line coming down this way. What if we got it really dark through here? Ooh, that's nice. These charcoal pencils also work really well. I'm working on the Bahong paper today, the fine grain, and the charcoal works really well with that paper. Ooh, that's fun. Okay. So I think I'm just going to come in a little bit with this natural pencil. It's like a gray blue almost. I'm just going to add some textures through here. And some spots where it needs just a little something. We can get pretty dark with this, I think. Okay. And then I think lastly, I'm going to come in with this sand color. Let's get that a little wet. Ugh, this pencil. So I think my pencils got dropped in shipping because some of them are just falling apart. Like I can't keep a tip on them. And sadly, the sand pencil is one, but we're just going to use the edge of it because we waste not, want not. So I don't want to, you can see that it's broken and it just keeps chipping off. Look how small that is. I've only used it like twice and tried to sharpen it once. So not good. But it was only one pencil out of the whole set. The rest of them are fine, but for some reason that one just, it doesn't want to hold a tip, which is very frustrating. Okay, let's mix out a little bit of this. Put in, ooh, those are fun scrapey layers. I think I want some of that over here. Let's just activate this a little bit. Put in some more lines through there. Okay. So this is the Distressed Oxide Walnut Stain. I just want to put a little bit through here. Oh, or a lot. I tell you what. You know what? I don't hate that. I didn't want it to be that much, but I don't hate it. Do I have another color? I think I have another color. Hold on. Okay, so I put down this stencil, the tree stencil. And then I'm going to cover up the rest of it. And we're going to use this antique linen. Let's see what happens here. Let me get a good... Okay, that one doesn't really spray like the other one. Let's do a little bit of... I'll spray back here and see what happens. Okay, that's probably enough. That's probably enough. Ooh, I really like that. Ooh, that's really cool. I like it. I like it. I got a little bit left here. Do I dare? I'm daring. What if we just... Ooh, that's kind of fun. I got a little bit more there. That's really cool. I kind of want to do it over here now. Let me try this. Okay, I don't think I'm going to add another one, but I really do like that idea. I think I want to bring a line through here. I don't know why. It felt like it needed a line going through here. Yeah, I think that works. Oh, maybe it needs a little difference through there, maybe. Okay. All right. Okay, I decided against the lines for this one. I think that there's enough activity going on that we don't need it. This idea is really interesting to me. And I wonder if I can see it being put into the landscape in other spots. So we're definitely going to explore that. I loved painting with a big brush today. I thought that was really fun. Got color down quickly without thinking. It was really intuitive, and I like that. Love the plum color through here, the violet. The splatters are fun. I think there's a lot of good dynamic marks with the charcoal, and I kind of like what's going on up here. Love the Inktense. I think worked really well. So good use of materials. We used watercolor, charcoal, Inktense, and Distress Oxide inks for this one. Yeah, overall very happy with this one. Definitely going on the website for sale. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to watch the last video if you haven't. And I'll be back in a couple of days with another video. I promise it won't take me like 10 days like I did this last time. Got a little bogged down with work, so. But you can always expect a video from me at least once a week, if not twice. All right. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.